What's going on? Got my TF300. Went ahead and installed OmniROM 5.1.1. Got night release. And did the Google apps right now, so doing that. And then my mom was having problems with her tablet. It's right here. It's a TF300. So I know what you're thinking. Do the same thing you did on yours? No, no. I'm not gonna be so quick to install, everything and all that good stuff, 5.1 and all that. But the problem she's having is, watch, the buttons up here. Okay, you see that? It's not a biometric sensor, but look at it. That's too sensitive. That's way too sensitive. I mean, look at it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it apart from the screen here and get right there and see if I can fix it and deal with it. Of course, I would always advise not to do this kind of stuff while it's on, but trying to do this while it's off is actually the reason why I'm trying to fix this in the beginning with. So, just be patient. Open it up around the sides. Plastic. It's shutting off right now. What's sad is I can't even listen to gospel music while I'm doing this on camera. Isn't that sad that gospel artists will go out of their way to enforce stuff like non-gospel artists? You would think they'd be like, hey, they're playing our music. That's wonderful. I looked in the description, he gave credit, or we can see what song he's playing. That's awesome. You better shut down. Come around the corner. Oh gosh. That's what I hate about these plastic things. I want the one that the fix-it people have. That metal thing. Can I go around the corner? Can I go around the corner? Can I go around the corner? Yeah. Well, if I go from the bottom, that's going to create pressure. That's what these are for. Pull the pressure. Oh, can we? I fix it. Yes, I can. Alright, I figured it. Well, I can't say figured. I opened it, got the light shining on it. That silver part, not that, that's like a bumper stopper right there. But that silver part is the sensor, and it's quite sensitive and it's really close. And there's like a piece of plastic behind the thing, so when it goes up and down, it makes that go up and down. So I'm gonna try and figure out something. I'll let you know what I do. Okay, that was scary. The thing fell out. but that's the piece. So I'm gonna try and do something with it. There are a few broken pieces, but I did it. What do you mean broken pieces? I mean this little green piece here from this, and I don't see it, but you can see that broke. I'm just shaving this part off a little bit. Can you see it? No, you cannot. Just shaving that part off a little bit, just doing like that. Trimming it down with something metal. Yeah. This looks like an important part. If you look carefully at the shining, wait, hold on, there we go. If you look carefully right there and there, this fits right underneath them, and let me put it the right way. There we go, and you can't see it, there we go. And I dropped it, alright. I'm gonna put it in, and then I'll show you how it fits. Go in. Alright, there we go. So yeah, it fits right behind the little plastic pieces there. And of course the other one does that too. If this happens to fall out, which it will, that's the volume one. You might need light. Let's see. So this one happens to fall out. It's hard to tell, but that has space atop of it. So you have to make sure that has space atop of it when you're putting it in. Because that's how that one is. Yeah. Oops. Don't put it in backwards. There you go. And that would be the wrong way. There we go. Alright. And that's how it should look. There it is. And finally, I shaved down both of them, so now it's almost flat. I can go perfectly flat if I have to, which I might. Alright, I haven't snapped it all the way into place yet, but it's pretty good. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's snap it into place and see how it goes. Well, a good sign is when I was snapping it together, the screen didn't come on. Okay. Hidden the, oops, this volume. Hidden the edge. Nothing. Screen's not on. Getting around it. Nothing. Now, hits it. There you go. Yeah. So, I don't know if anyone else had it super tight like that, but if it's super tight like that, you're gonna have to take apart the screen, which is perfectly safe to do, even with it on. Just, you know, be careful of static, you know, it's getting cold. And shave down both of them all the way. Well, it depends on how tight it is on yours. It was super tight on this one version, I'm telling you. So, just shave down both. And if you shave it down too much for some reason, somehow, the other end has that plastic with a little bit of metal against it. You could probably stick something plastic in between that. I guess it won't break the conduction between it. Or just put something on top of it to add more pressure so it'll touch it. But it should be fine if it's like this. Yeah, I don't see what could go wrong. But if anything does go wrong, go right on eBay and order you another one. They are only $11 and up. Alright. So, I'm gonna go give this back to her. And y'all have a good day. And if you want some videos on, you know, this kind of Android stuff, let me know if you got questions, especially on the TF300 and the TF700, since I have those. Well, I have one of them. You know.